See my bubble here.
Come, make could I hear me now?
Look at you now. This is nice. Wait.
Hear me.
Okay, again.
See my face looks so ugly. What's up now? How am I? See, come, make I sound this one, If you marry Nigeria, if you marry a Nigerian man and they don't want to live in Nigeria, you better divorce. So.
There's no divorce in Philippines.
I don't wait.
Again.
Let me start that. Come. Before you marry a Nigerian man, better ask her whether you go. No, they know they hear pidgin English. Make I go
Continue now.
This girl's a wonder. She loves me as she needs to know I love her. I wonder if we'll make it through this summer. Just wanna touch like back when we were younger. Yeah.
So this thing is just general, not only. In fact, I am angry with all the foreign women. I am angry with them. You know why? Sometimes you see some of them that has bad encounter, bad experience with a Nigerian man. They will be like, Nigerian man is bad, Nigerian man is this, Nigerian man is that. Hey, marry, abandon me and go to Nigeria and marry again. Man, you see them complaining. Why these men are doing this? Because of their experience or from what they have learned from their friend or someone else. How can you marry a Nigerian and your husband is going home? You will not go with him. You say, you don't even like to stay in Nigeria. That even my kids don't like. So you prefer your husband to be traveling alone while you stay back with the kids. Does it make sense? Even when you know that your husband have an investment in Nigeria. If as a woman you don't like to live in Nigeria, then it means that your kids will not like to live there too, because their mom is the one that will pressure them. My children, go home. Your father have investment there. You should go and take what belongs to you. It is your inheritance. Me and your father work this money together, so go home and take what belongs to you. So when the mother does not like it, it means he will not even encourage the kids to go when the man is no more. So you people should think this thing very well. To me, think it very well to avoid disappointing men. That's why you see Nigerians marry here and go to Nigeria and marry, because they have already seen other people, this same thing happen to them. Both Europe, America, Asia, Australia, wherever you are. Almost they are playing almost the same character. It's not good. It's not good. Don't joke with that. Advice to men, I will say my own openly. If you find out that your wife is not the type that will live in Nigeria, my brother, it's better you just go to Nigeria and marry and have kids there. Simple. Before you marry them, take them to Nigeria. Take your woman, even if it's Asia, Black, India, anyone, take her. Go to Nigeria. What's the essence of having kids that will not know his father's origin, that will not know his father's home, that will not know his father's relative? Just, I have kids in abroad. Doesn't make sense. You guys should think about this very well. If you know you cannot go home, do not marry a Nigerian man. Because some Nigerian men, not every Nigerian man want to marry in abroad and marry in Nigeria. There are some of Nigerian men that have already made up their mind that they are not going to marry a Nigerian woman. That I am married. I'm comfortable with my foreign wife. So such people do not need, like when they say, honey, let's go home, you say no, you are not going. Or let's go with kids, you say no. Man, it's heartbroken. Sometimes we find out that the man is already aged. Why finding out that you will not go home? It doesn't make sense. When they really love you, like they marry only you without marrying a Nigerian woman, you just bear it in mind that you will go to Nigeria and live with him. That is certain. Unless the one that have a wife and kids in Nigeria, that one doesn't bother. Whether you go home with him or not, he don't care. Whether you bring the kids there or not, he doesn't care, because he already has a replacement at home. So he doesn't bother about that. But you see those ones that don't have any, they don't have kids, they don't have wife, don't play with them. If they tell you go, you go. You follow them and go. Take her to your village, direct your village where you were born, that place where they born you. Carry her, go there. As in, when you reach, you show her, this is my village. Even if your village is in the middle of a forest, don't be shy. Take her, go there, show her where you come from. Let her know that this is where you come from. Show her this place. If she likes it, after you go back to wherever you come from, you ask her, honey, will you stay marry me? If she say yes, go. No. If she say no, fine, everybody go and look for you. At least she have known that this is the place you come from. Willing to come with me, yes or no? Let her answer it in front of everybody. Let her say yes, I will live here. Anywhere you go, I will go with you. Fine. When she says words like, you know that yes, this one is really for you. If she say no, I cannot leave this place, it's too bushy, it's too dusty, it's too sandy, you know, doing those finesse stuff, my brother, fashion, leave am, go to Naimari, or look for the one. If you are the kind of people that like to marry for, maybe you have passion to marry Asia, or if no, you look for another one. You must see the one that is willing to accept you and live wherever you are. The same way they have bad wife in Nigeria, that's the same way they have in Asia, America, anywhere in the world. The good ones are everywhere too. There are thousands of them that are willing to live. As long as they love their husband, they are willing to live wherever they are. So don't go and rush because maybe she's beautiful, she's sexy. Now you say, oh, I will marry her. I mean, not thinking of, will she accept where you come from? That's the thing you need to think. Will she accept? Unless, for me, unless if you marry her, then later you still go to Nigeria and marry her. No problem. No wahala. That one is not. But if you are the kind of man that believe that once I am married, whether it's yellow, black, green, one wife is what I need. My brother, you need to make sure. You need to make sure, like very, very sure that this woman is going home with you. That even when you are not around, maybe if eventually something happens someday, that this woman will send the kids or I go home, she will be there, like motivate the kids to go and take what belongs to them. Because you cannot invest in Nigeria, finish, and your child will be in abroad doing another thing. Then what that means all the suffering for the years is like gone. Of course it's gone, because as I know, as an Igbo man, as Nigerian, even African men I know, they all have investment in Africa. They work in Europe, America, everything, they invest it in Africa because that's their home. And who takes over that investment is their kids. So if you don't have wife in Nigeria, no kids, the only wife you have is in abroad, and she don't go home, my brother, start now early, look for another woman and marry. That's my own. I know some people will not like this video, but I just said it the way it's paining me in my heart. Because I don't like this rubbish, man.
It's paining him.
I don't like this shit. It's so, you know, it really is, as in, the thing they vex me, they provoke me.
Because me. You know, Nigerian men, they hustle abroad to
they
invest
provoke me. Don't
for future.
Marry somebody that will not go to Nigeria with you, unless you have a wife in Nigeria. That one is different. You understand? You can have. So that's my own. I've said my own. So for women, let me make it short. For women, Asia, America, foreign women, just know that if you are marrying in Nigeria, you will settle in Nigeria one day. That one is certain. Unless your husband told you that he will die in abroad, that one is good for you, people. Understand? Like for we are going home. We know where we came from. We know our route. We are going home someday. So those men like me, where you say, you know, say you are going home someday and you want to marry for, make sure take her home, confirm first. If you know work, you marry another one. You being a woman, hearing this video, and at the end you will marry a Nigerian man again. Later you tell her you cannot go home. That means you don't love the man. You just want to have kids. Because I noticed that some of Asian women, they just want to have baby. So they need someone that will call this your father. You understand? That's all they need. They want to have baby with Africa. Maybe Miss Baby is cute. It's cute, you know. So they want to have cute baby with maybe Miss Race. No love, no thing there. Then that's the reason why they will tell you will not go and you will not take the kids. So the child will become theirs. Man, you people should have mind though. So that's not number two. Make una stop. You people should stop criticizing Nigerian men that they are bad. Not all Nigerian men are bad. Some of them do what they do because of the experience they have or the experience they got from another person. You cannot see this person fall into a pit and you expect him to fall into the same pit. No. Instead, he will smart himself and go home and marry, because he already noticed that this one will not come, or this one, you know, he noticed something. So you need to move ahead. So not because you got the wrong man and the wrong impression, you think that all Nigerian men, no, there are Nigerian men that are married foreign women legitimately, like they marry them. Yes, I love them. No wife in Nigeria, no kids in Nigeria. So if you are lucky to marry such men, please, I beg you in the name of God, make sure that whenever your husband is going home and said, honey, let's go, you pack your bag, follow him, take the keys, follow him. Don't hesitate, because he knows why he wants you to go home. He knows why he wants the keys to go home, because you need to let the kids, when they are still tender age, to know where they come from, for them to adopt, you know. So that's my own. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.